Introducing OvisOCR2, a powerful new open-source OCR model designed for fast, accurate, and end-to-end document parsing. Built on the compact Qwen 3.50.8b model, OvisOCR2 can transform entire document pages into clean Markdown while preserving text, tables, mathematical formulas, and visual elements in their natural reading order. Despite its small 0.8b parameter size, it achieves state-of-the-art performance with a record-breaking 96.58 score on OmniDocBench and the highest average 3 score of 75.06 on PureDocBench. In this video, I'll show you how to install OvisOCR2 locally on Windows, set up all the required dependencies, download the model, and start parsing PDFs and scan documents completely offline using your own PC. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I regularly share tutorials on the latest AI tools, open source models, and local AI applications that you can run on your own PC. So if you're interested in AI, OCR, or running powerful models locally, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Install OvisOCR2 locally on Windows. Click on Huggingface link in my description to go to its main repo. You can read its documentation and how it is comparing with other similar models. Good thing is they provided Huggingface Space demo to try it before installing. Click on Huggingface Space link in my description to try it. To install locally, you need to have at least 3 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8. This can run on CPU 2, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. Once you got everything ready, click on 3 dots at right top on Huggingface Space and choose Run Local option. Click Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Paste code you copied to clone this. After clone, type cd and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now you need to create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now install PyTorch, but first make sure CUDA Toolkit is installed and what version it is. To install PyTorch, go to main page of it and copy code for your CUDA version. If you don't see your CUDA version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Remove Torch Vision and add spaces, then save requirements file. Now go to command window and run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, run main code. This will download models running it first time. When you see local URL, copy and paste it in any browser to launch Ovis OCR2. To use it again without running any codes, go to main folder and create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see, then save as run.bat. Now you can launch Ovis OCR2 anytime double-clicking this file. To use Ovis OCR2, upload documents in PDF or pictures in PNG or JPEG format. This tool allows multi-language support. Click Run OCR in real time. This tool not only extract text, it also extract markdowns. And that's it. You now have Ovis OCR2 running locally on your PC. As you've seen, this lightweight 0.8B model can accurately convert documents into clean Markdown while preserving text, tables, formulas, and images, all without relying on cloud services. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tutorials, local installations, and open source tools. You can always message me on Instagram or email me to get installation help, and also visit my Buy Me Coffee to get portable versions of all kind of best tools ever made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy parsing!